And so let's just take that idea, that thought, that attitude of oneness into a time of prayer and a time of meditation right now. And so as we do breathe into this moment, we allow ourselves to relax right where we are. Feeling that deep connection to spirit. In this moment, we allow our thoughts to turn away from the world around us, from doubts, from concerns, from thoughts even of what it is that we still have to complete this day. We turn away from those thoughts and focus instead on that divinity, that still small spark, that truth of who and what we are, the oneness with spirit. And so in this moment, we allow that oneness to guide and direct this experience. We allow that oneness to inform us at a new level about who and what we are. We allow that oneness to inspire us with new ideas, not just for how we can expand its light within us, but how we can expand the awareness of its light in the world around us. We pause consciously in this moment as we allow spirit to be spirit in us. Right here, right now, we know the truth as we move into the stillness, into the silence, into the peace that is spirit in the silence. Maintaining the awareness of our oneness with spirit, we allow our attention to be drawn back to this time and this place. Knowing that as the awareness of the world around us comes in, our connection with that presence of spirit remains. And so as we continue to go throughout our day, throughout the rest of this week, we do so maintaining an awareness of our connection with spirit. Knowing beyond knowing from this moment forward our oneness, and living our lives from the divinity that we find within. And so we say, with that as our intention and our desire, we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.